Hi guys, Fayas this side here once again. In this 19th video, I am going to show you how you can track your leads through pabbly connection. You got a doubt, right? What is this pabbly connection? Pabbly connection helps us to track our leads on the Excel sheet, on the automation. When somebody watch our video ad and fill out the form, and we can get their name, email, phone number on the Excel sheet itself. Rather than downloading lead from the Facebook lead center, we can connect our pabbly connection. We can track the leads on the automation level on Excel sheet, so that we can share the Excel sheet to our client, so that we can track the leads, how many leads actually the client is getting, right? So that's where the pabbly connection will help us. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump into the video and let's get started. Search on Google pabbly connection and go to the first website pabbly.com. For the newly, you just have to sign up for free. I have already existing account, so that's why I'm just clicking signing in. So you just have login with your Google, that would be more better. So click continue, and here we can just log in. You can see pabbly connection access now. Click that button, so you will be redirect to the dashboard, and you can see it is allowing us to take 100 tasks, right? So click create flow, create workflow. You just have to give your name. I'm giving my client's Facebook page name, so trading farmers, and you just have to select your folder and click create. Here we are adding our Facebook ad leads, right? So that's why I'm just searching Facebook lead ads. So select that Facebook lead ads, and we have to give a trigger event as well. So click that one. For the newly lead instant alerts, we want somebody fill out our form, we need instant alerts, right? So that's why I'm just choosing this, right? And then click connect. So we have to give a add new connection, so that's why I'm choosing this, connect with Facebook leads. Just have to select your Facebook, click continue, and you just have to give allow access to the previous, so click continue. So successfully we have connected. We have to select our Facebook page. It will automatically detect our form as well. So I'm just selecting my trading farmers page, and click save and send test. Before sending this test lead, I just want to show you how we can send a test lead using developer mode. So you go through this URL, developer.facebook.com/tools lead ads testing. So just go through this URL. So you can see I'm just choosing my Facebook page, which I want to test, right? Send the test lead. I just choose my trading farmers page and click create lead. You can see I just sent successfully test lead, right? Get back to pabbly and click plus button. It was loading, and search for Google Sheets. Click Google Sheets, and for this Google Sheet we have to create an action event as well. So click add new row and click connect. Again we have to add a new connection, right? So that's why I'm just choosing add new connection and sign in with Google. It is very simple, guys, no need to worry about this thing. So choose your Gmail account and give access to the pabbly. Click continue. We are here giving our Google Sheet access, that's it. Here we successfully added. So for the test leads we have to map our data, right? So you can see before that I just want to show you, we have to create a Google Sheet. So on the Google Sheet we just have to put our full name, email, phone number and city, and below we have to rename our sheet name. So that's why I just given sheet 1. So get back to the pabbly. We have to map our data as well. So for the dummy data we have already submitted, right? For the full name I'm just searching for my dummy data which I have submitted. So click this one and search for full name of dummy data. You can see, right, that was here, test dummy data full name, right? So click that one. We have submitted our dummy data. And for the email we have again searching for our dummy data, and actually we are here mapping. We have already submitted, right? So for the email I just submitted that email one also, and for the phone number we have to do this. For the city as well we have to map our dummy data of city, which I have submitted test lead, right? So dummy data of city, so we have already mapped. Let's check one more time. save and send test requests, so that we will see our Excel sheet is filling up with dummy data or not. So you can see here we just submitted our full name, email, phone number and city, and one more time we will check it. Click save button. We are successfully submitted, and one more time I am creating a dummy lead. Let's see if it is submitting the data or not. So you can see again we got our dummy data. Thank you for watching this 19th video. I really appreciate that. Show your valuable love on the comment section, and it brings me motivation to make few more videos like this. Until then, stay tuned to my channel and have a good day. Bye bye.